Welcome to Carleton's Math Corner. Today we're going to be talking about test preparation. And in this video, we're going to be talking about what are some strategies that we can do prior to the test. And I know when I mention the word test, many people become anxious, and including myself. When I took a test in middle school, high school, college, I used to become so anxious. My palms would become sweaty. My heart would race. I I couldn't sleep the night before. Like I just really had a hard time with test taking. And then I learned to be even more prepared before the test, and it really helped me ease my mind. And I just felt very confident when I walked into a test. And so I hope to get you to that point. And I think at first it's going to be a little challenging because it's your first test, here in middle school. So it's going to be a little challenging, but you're going to overcome that, and then it's going to become less and less challenging as you go throughout the year, as long as you practice these strategies. So the first strategy is know the targets that are covered on the test. Make sure you understand them, and make sure you understand what they're asking you to do, because much of the test will be written in that language, so you need to understand that. Number 2, review the examples from your notes. Go back, look at the examples that you got from the videos or even in class. Make sure you have an example from, for every target. Just go over them, understand them, even look at additional examples. Go through your textbook. Your textbook is a great reference for more examples. Okay, you can even look in your homework, because your homework has multiple examples of every target. So review that as well. Number 3, review your vocabulary packet. Go through, look at the terms, their definitions, as well as the sketches. Make sure you understand them. If you're missing any definitions or sketches, look at the word wall in the classroom. It's a great place for you to get caught up with your vocabulary. Now, when you're looking at examples and vocabulary terms, these are 3 things that you could possibly do with them. You could create note cards and use them kind of like flashcards. So you could put examples on them and then maybe answers on the back side, or vocabulary terms and definitions on the back side, and then use them as flashcards. Now, quizzing yourself will help you study for the test, but also just recording them, rewriting them will help you to remember them and retain them. So note cards are wonderful. Another way is go back and use like highlighters. Go through your notes and highlight key information that you know or you possibly think that could be on the test, or even go back and highlight in a different color things that you struggled with, that maybe you need to ask for help with. And then the last thing is, get together with a friend, quiz each other, study together. You can even use the flashcards that you create with your note cards. You could sit and quiz each other with those. Okay. Number 4, watch videos. Again, go back, watch some of them or all of them, and just review, review, review. Okay. Number 5, if you have any questions, ask for help. I am here to help you. Okay. Please do not be afraid to ask for help. You are not alone. Everyone needs help at some point. Okay. You can ask during class, during wind time, before or after school, even in the hallway. You can even email me, okay? And my email is on the homepage. So please, ask for help. Number 6, study in small sessions. Do not cram the night before the test. It doesn't always work. You know, study a few days before the test. Study in small little chunks of time so that you're not stressed and overly tired like this bear and this sloth. Number 7, create or participate in a small study groups. Get together with friends or even new people, you know, new friends. Get together, study, help each other out because you all have the same goal in mind. You want to be successful on this test and pass all the targets. Number 8, get a good night's sleep the night before the test. You don't want to be exhausted like these animals. Okay, you function better when you have more sleep. Number 9, eat a well-balanced breakfast and stay hydrated. You know, make sure that you need some fuel to keep going. And that's what food and water is for. And lastly, number 10, never give up. You can do anything you set your mind to. And I really believe that. So please, if you're struggling, get some help and don't give up. Okay? I'm here to help you. So thank you so much for joining me at Carleton's Math Corner. I look forward to seeing you on test day.